Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is India Challenges and Solutions. Now, dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the corruption and unemployment. Now, dear children, in corruption we have to learn that corruption in simple term we can say that the lack of the integrity and or honesty. Otherwise, we can say that use of a position of trust or the dishonest gain. After also we have learned that the which are the effect of the corruption. In this we have to learn that violation of the human rights, hindrance for the development of the nation, inflation, lack of trust in the law, and the slow human development. Now, after also we learn that which are the measure for the corruption. In this we have to learn that the government has framed a certain law from the since 1988 to prevent and reduce the corruption. So, from this corruption, dear children, we learn the message that accepting or offering the bribe both are a crime. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that if you are accepting, otherwise you are offering the bribe, both are a crime. This message is given from the corruption. After, dear children, we have learned about the unemployment. In this, dear children, we have to learn that a person who is above the 18 years of the age and is willing to and capable to work and does not get a job, it is called as an unemployed person. Who is called as an unemployed person? A person their age is more than 18 years, willing and capable to work, but he or she does not get a job. It is called as an unemployed person. And second thing, dear children, we can say that the introduction of the technology in the modern times has added the burning problem of the unemployment. For example, we can say that the use of computer has made the work faster and more accurate. And now what happened that today we can say that the machine have replaced the man, and because of that, what happened that the day by day the unemployment is increasing. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the unemployment measures. It means which are the measures for the unemployment. For the solution of this problem, what they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that for the solution of this problem of the unemployment, many volunteer organizations and government have developed the plan and policy are as follows. For the solution of the problem of the unemployment, many volunteers as well as the government organization have plan and the policies are as follows. First, shelter for the economically backward. Which one, dear children? They are saying that shelter for the economically backward class people. Second one, they are saying that given the free education to the people. Second thing, free education. Third one, they are saying that pure drinking water. It means they have to also provide the pure drinking water facility. Next one, they are given that the cleanliness is also the required. Fifth one, mobile medical services also the required. And sixth one, to encourage the cottage industry and handicraft industry for simplify the non-facility. It means we have to encourage the small scale industry, otherwise we can say that the cottage scale industry. Why? Because the maximum people are doing the labor work into the small scale or cottage scale industry. By providing the nutrition food, which is the primary need, and the government is trying to improve the situation into the slum area. So what happened then? They are saying that we have to provide the nutrition food as well as we have to improve the situation of the slums area, and there is a requirement that the government has created the more employment. If the more employment is created, then what happened then? Automatically poor and unemployment problem will be the automatically solved. Now next one, dear children, they are saying that about if you have to see the India's unemployment rate of the November of 2020, dear children, they can stood at 6.51%. Now next topic, dear children, they are given about the terrorism. Which one, dear children? Terrorism. Terrorism, it means antakwad. Now terrorism is a global problem. Dear children, you know very well that the terrorism is which kind of the problem? This is a global problem. Terrorist activity are an obstacle in the progress of the any nation. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that any kind of the terrorist activity that are an obstacle for the development of the any nation. It means we can say that this is the one kind of the hindrance activity or for development of the or the progress of the nation. It is an evil effort to disturb the peace, brotherhood and the unity of the nation. What we can say that, dear children? We can say that the terrorism, it is a one kind of the evil effort to disturb the peace, brotherhood and the unity of the nation. And we know very well that in India is unity in diversity is there. So terrorism inflict the fear in the people through the violence and the hatred. What they are saying that, they are saying that the terrorism can inflict fears among the people through the violence, otherwise through the hating. The goal of terrorism is never scared, pure or good. Underline it. What they are saying that, dear children? They are saying that the goal of the terrorism is never scared, pure or good. Now the terrorism is an inhuman act carried out by certain group of the people in a plan. What they are saying that, dear children? They are saying that the terrorism is in human act carried out by the certain group of the people in the plan way. It restore the violence, killing and torturing the somebody. What happened that, dear children? Here they restore to violence, otherwise killing and torturing to the somebody. It means terrorism is carried out some group of the people. After they are also saying that terrorism is a challenge for any government. Now what happened, dear children? Terrorism is a challenge for the any government. And already sometimes we have to read in newspaper, otherwise we have to watch into the television. Then in Asian country and also the European country, all the world, maximum world level nation are facing the problem of the terrorism. Here you can take the so many example that, like example in Mumbai, Taj Hotel attack is there, in Pakistan army school attack is there, after France, England, so many times. What happened then in the different nation, the different kind of the terrorist attack are to be the done. You can take the example of 9/11 in America. So here we have to say that the terrorism is a one kind of the challenges for the any government. Terrorism is an easy way to display the power to the forcefully. Innocent people become the great of the massacre anywhere. In the past, there were the terrorist attack into the India. We can say that into the parliament, after Hotel Taj in the Mumbai, share market, local train, Akshardham. These all are the example where the people are facing the much problem. After they are saying that terrorism is a pure hatred and the cruelty. What they are saying that, dear children? Terrorism is a more pure hatred and the cruelty. It has got nothing to do with kindness, religion or the language. After, dear children, they are given about the measures of the terrorism. So what they are given? Now they are given that which are the measures of the terrorism. So then we have to face it with bravery and courage. What they are saying that, dear children? They are saying that we have to face the terrorism it with bravery in the courage way. It means bravery and courage. The intelligence bureau of the nation should be strong and active. What they are saying that, dear children? There is a requirement for the any nation that they have an intelligent bureau of the nation should be the strong and active. So here the intelligent bureau of the nation should be the strong and the active. And also there is a requirement that the army force, police and all the people as well as the intelligent bureau, they are all using the advanced technology. awareness regarding cooperating with the security agency has to be the developed. What they are saying there? They are saying that we have to aware regarding with the cooperation with the security agencies are to be the developed. People have to be the very alert at the public or the crowded place. This is the most important thing. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that people have to be very alert in the public or the crowded places. One must not pay the attention to the rumors and should not panic in the times of the crisis. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that one not pay the attention to the rumors and we cannot spread the rumors. Here they can say that should not panic in the times of the crisis. The security forces should be well equipped with the CCTV camera and the metal detector. It means we have to also provide the best advanced technology to our security forces. That's why they can save their life also, and they are also used the equipped with the CCTV camera and the metal detector. Apart from this, various other challenges faced by our nation are orthodox, communalism, regionalization, discrimination based on languages, border issue, and the rehabilitation after the natural disaster. It means we can say that study this all these things, try to know the possible solution through which are the solution for solving of this problem. So we can say that apart from this, so many other problems also faced by our nation regarding with orthodox, communalism, regionalization, discrimination on the basis of languages, as well as the border issue and the repatriation of the people after the natural disaster. Thank you, dear children.